footage of my channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. This is Noah finish of my channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 2, Nedbank Cup. Semi-final, my brother. How's it is?
I feel like I'm missing over 2010.
So it's like 2012, man.
You know, I was alive.
Yeah.
Today,
Yeah.
I'm a changing the name of the
If you go to say full of players,
yeah. But if it's you today, you tell her, Umundo Funichi, Olash. I should say the case, I should say the truth. I was going to my channel.
Yeah.
All the matches I'm going to because the minute I was fighting. And now we 30 something years.
Yeah, something, yeah.
Yeah, so what is 30 something years of education? Since I was young.
Yeah.
If it's that of this year, I fall in a row.
How many chasing? Yeah.
I'm chasing you. I'm chasing you. Begging years of one.
What give up back thing? I'm a bit.
That's why. I know. Lama Kambe Sokuma saying,
Yeah.
I inspire. Kuno muntu omkhulu belujesika kuno amagama important mhlambe abadlali bebhola bayawathatha sinawo wathi Chiefs ayenzi mari merchandise uthengisa ukudla wonke ama-team e-South Africa double so kule double leyo if bengaboni mina bengizoreporta ngithi manje from namhlanje azothenga ama-Chiefs ukuthi ababoni abadlali ukuthi kudlala ishift ukuthi kumina ingoba thina abanye bakudlulikela shift ukudlala le nto lena isisuka sisesebancane nje akusiyinto nje bazokhuluma infowati ama-change shift ukuthi 1,000 sothenga sikhiphe imali zogcina hayi ukuthi sinemali kuyo yonke it's because of the love of the football of the love of the team and futhi team ethanda but today no angayewini but mina ngiyadana ibhola abadlali namhlanje babonisile ukuthi amawari bangahloniphile bangafaka phezipam I'm happy hayi ukuthi mawuphela isipam ukuthi always win kungenzeka ukuthi ungadliwa pram but today I'm in a pram I'm happy mina ngazi ukuthi owner in the street of family but today we are only street of joy yabo iKaizer Chiefs club ayikho team osondela kuKaizer Chiefs the fan base everywhere go we own the streets but ngibonile nalana bekwela but prime kunento ngisa ishift mawabele lekhaya angona basathanda
Video is a clash on Facebook.
ePrime yesaba sine ngathi sola ngana kusadlinya ngayo simina wonke
Namhlanje ngibone ebheka ejathu yakho.
ubonile Bistron Stadium so nomuntu obekhala ngoshubela
Awuphela konke.
Stadium so uyabona Rami mina ngazi bro
Awutshela bafo thina abantu mase plus thina theka si.
uyabona nawo
Asangenze plus. No comment. Abantu mase mabuya theka si.
mara experience ekwenye namhlanje ukwayibona akusayo kwasemsebenzini ngizinikeza igolide
Waxosha the Chiefs ibe busy with play. Saba pesa. Phakathi siyabonga
Ithathele
iyafekela ngempela
then they thethela nakuhlalima chips ayibamba ama-cows
nazo
lento bayenzile.
hayi inkosi tata
Ndiyabulela
nami
unyawo uzofaka
ufaka unyawo danta nazo ubuya kuphi
emthatha
wabingelela kumthatha
unyawo ukosikela ebhodleni akade unyawo
nazo
oziyelayo futhi abuya phenduse ngamaxesha
aphinda sibone ngephini
akukhala kwenjalo
nazo ngidake
ngiyabulela echiefs ngiyayibulelisa mntana
nazo
bakathi ngadala ukubulela